Welcome to the English Chill Channel.
We're so glad you're here. Get ready to relax and learn.
Good morning, Liam. You look tired.
I am tired.
But it's Saturday. You didn't work.
I know. I'm just bored.
Bored?
Yes, I hate my routine.
Your routine.
Yes, every day is the same. Wake up, work, sleep.
Ah, you feel stuck in a rut.
Stuck in a rut? What does that mean?
It means you are in a boring, repetitive cycle.
Yes, exactly. I need a change.
Okay, let's change it.
What, now?
Yes. We always eat toast on Saturday.
Right, toast and coffee.
Today, we will make Eggs Benedict.
Eggs what?
Eggs Benedict. It's a fancy breakfast.
I have never made that. Is it hard?
It can be. That's the fun. Let's break the routine.
Okay. Eggs Benedict. What do we need?
Let's find a recipe.
Okay.
This looks complicated.
How complicated?
It says we need to poach the eggs.
Poach? What does that mean?
We cook the egg in hot water without the shell.
Oh, that sounds difficult.
And we need to make hollandaise sauce.
Holland what?
Hollandaise. It's a sauce made with eggs and butter.
I am a little nervous.
Don't be. First, let's get the ingredients. We need eggs, butter, English muffins, and white vinegar.
I see the eggs. I see butter.
Do we have white vinegar?
I'm looking in the cabinet. No,
Are you sure?
I only see olive oil and apple cider vinegar.
Oh no.
What is the vinegar for?
It helps the egg whites stay together.
So we can't make them?
The apple cider vinegar. Maybe it will work.
Will it taste strange?
It's a risk. But we are breaking the routine, remember?
Okay, let's try it.
Okay, get a pot of water.
Like this?
Good. Let it simmer.
Simmer?
Yes, not a big boil, just small bubbles.
Okay, it's simmering.
Now, add a splash of the apple vinegar.
Done.
Crack an egg into a small bowl first.
Okay.
Now, gently slide the egg into the water.
Gently. Okay. Oh,
What?
it's spreading. It's all white.
Oh dear.
It doesn't look like an egg. It looks like a cloud.
That was a mishap.
A mishap?
Yes, a small accident or mistake.
It looks like a big mishap.
Let's try again. Be more gentle.
Okay, one more time.
There. That's better. It's holding its shape.
Okay.
2 eggs done.
Now for the hollandaise sauce.
The difficult part.
The recipe says, melt the butter slowly.
Okay, the butter is melting.
Now we need to whisk the egg yolks.
Whisk?
It means to mix them very fast with this tool.
Okay. My arm is already tired.
Now add the butter very, very slowly.
I'm trying. It's hard to do both.
Don't stop whisking.
It's changing.
Is it getting thick?
No. It looks separated.
Oh no! The sauce broke.
Broke? Like a plate?
No, it means the butter and eggs did not mix.
So it's ruined?
I think we added the butter too fast.
This is a disaster. Let's just have toast.
No, we are not giving up.
But the sauce is broken.
We can fix it. The recipe says add 1 ice cube.
An ice cube? That seems crazy.
Trust me. Put 1 ice cube in and whisk fast.
It's working.
Is it?
Yes, it's coming together. It's smooth.
You saved it.
Wow. Okay, I am exhausted.
Me too. Let's toast the muffins.
Wait,
What now?
the toaster? It's not working.
You are joking.
Nothing. The light is off.
Did you check the outlet?
The outlet?
The plug in the wall.
It's plugged in. I think it's broken.
This is not relaxing.
No, it's chaotic.
Chaotic?
Yes, very messy and disorganized.
We can use the oven. We will broil them.
Okay, what does broil mean?
It means we cook them with heat from the top.
Fine, but I am not whisking anything.
Well, they are not beautiful.
My sauce is lumpy?
Lumpy.
Yes, not smooth. It has small pieces.
But how does it taste?
It's actually really good.
See?
The routine was broken.
Exactly.
Today was not boring. It was chaotic, but fun.
Sometimes a little chaos is good.
I guess I don't need to change my whole life. I just need to break the routine sometimes.
Exactly. Just make one small change.
Thank you, Emma. This was weird, but good.
So, what about you?
Do you ever feel stuck in a rut?
How do you break your routine?
Let us know in the comments below.
And if you liked this video, please give it a like.
It really helps the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
We will see you in the next one.